There are 15,958,866 adults in a region. If a polling organization randomly selects 1,235 adults without replacement, are the selections independent or dependent? If the selections are dependent, can they be treated as independent for the purposes of calculations? The key word here is the fact that it's saying without replacement. When you think about without replacement, that means that the selections are going to be dependent. So therefore, are the selections independent or dependent? Well, the selections are dependent. Well, what is the reason? It's because the selection is done without replacement. Therefore, that would be the first answer. Now, the second answer says the following. Now, it's asking whether or not, if the selections are dependent, which they are, can they be treated as independent for the purposes of calculations? Well, we need to first take a look at what the sample size is. Well, the sample size is 1235. And now we need to take a look at what is the population. The population is 15,958,866. Well, we need to take a look at 5% of that population. So that means that we're going to take 5%, or it's the same thing as 0.05. And we're going to multiply it by the population there, which is times 15958,866. Okay, this is 5% of that population, which is greater than this amount, or this amount is less than 5% of the population. So again, looking at the question, if the selections are dependent, can they be treated as independent for the purposes of calculations? We would say yes, because the sample size, which is 1235, is less than 5% of the population. And again, what was 5% of the population? Well, it was this number here, which was 797,943. Check our result, and there is our answer.